Today on Rust Bucket Adventures, we're going to do a little bit of springtime maintenance here on a 2007 Buick Lucerne. It has the 3800 Series 3 V6 engine. Takes a AC Delco A1627C filter. And we'll come on over here. And looks like what we need to do is I've got two torx, 27 torx. I'm not sure if I have to take the nozzle off or not, but we will take a look here and see if we need to take that off when we change out the filter. So we're just going to undo these. Looks like it pivots down here. We'll find out here in a little bit. So let me get things loosened up and we'll take a look. So it looks like removing those, we can jump in here and take a look. This doesn't look so bad. I might not need to replace this. Let's see. Yeah. It probably doesn't need replacing, but you know, I got another one. Yeah, that looks almost brand new. Yeah, we just bought this in the fall, so let's see here. Yeah, this one feels a little nicer. Narrower on the top, wider on the bottom. Narrower on the top, wider on the bottom. I guess it's also helpful that it says up on this end. So we will reinstall it, and after I get that bug out, there we go. So it says up, and we're just going to slip that right back in here. So it looks like somebody had changed this out. Just, I mean, it looks new. It's a VA176, so it's probably was that like Valvoline instant oil change or something? And it's not original, but yeah, made in China. And this one was well, it was AC Delco on the package. It's got an up. Did notice that it's got a tab on it right here. So come in here and take a look. Looks like the tab fits right in there, so we're going to go ahead and give that a try here. Okay, this one feels actually a lot nicer. It slips inside the seal. That other one just like flopped in. This one I can get it into the seal here. Real nice positive seal. Let's see, we'll get this rotated underneath and slide it back. Wiggle jiggle, there we go. That's there. And you don't need to tighten the hell out of these things. You know, just get them snug. Kind of do it on both sides a little bit before you snug it down, because you don't want to put any pressure into it and snap the plastic. Okay, and it comes to a positive stop. Doesn't keep threading in. So there we go. So that's it for another springtime cleanup or fix up here on the Rust Bucket Adventures, and we're gonna button it back up and you know, check the oil and do a little bit of other. Okay, she's all buttoned back up. Everything's looking good here. And so in about 5 minutes, we replaced the air filter on a 2007 Buick Lucerne, and ready until the next filter change in the fall. So thanks again for visiting us here at Rust Bucket Adventures. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments if you have any questions, and I'm sure I'll be able to give you some insight about this vehicle, as we're going to be doing a whole bunch of little maintenance items to it over the next few months. So thanks again.